Okay, so we have an Arduino that is connected to the laptop here, and also attached is the NRF24L01 radio module is connected. At the moment, this script that's running on the Arduino, the Mobot gateway, is running on the Arduino, and we can see in the serial monitor it is printing a radio transmission every 5 seconds. So radio transmission Mobot 2, that's the number of the Mobot, or the ID of the Mobot, and our first number there is X coordinate 350, and the last number is the Y coordinate. These coordinates are set to increment by 50 every time a transmission is sent. Now, independently, we have another Arduino that is connected to the Raspberry Pi, and we are running a Python script that is parsing each message coming from the Arduino, and it's parsing the string out into the beacon ID, Mobot number, the X coordinate and the Y coordinate. And this is also plotting it onto a MatplotLib plot that is moving the coordinate that is specified by the remote Arduino that's connected to the PC. That's plotting it on this figure. Now, a couple of points to comment on is we will first clear this buffer here from the Arduino. Now, if we look now between the pulse coming in on the PC and the pulse coming in, this reading coming in on the Python script, there's very little latency between the transmission and received message. But what you will notice now, whenever a new message comes in, it takes about a second before it's updated on the figure plot. So this is going to have to be taken into account in the scan speed of the actual system.